Hello, Mzansi. It is confirmed that Babetara Shwezen and Westboy were also involved in a car accident last night on the R37 road, Leidenburg, Skila. Sadly, Nova Styles didn't make it. May his soul rest in peace. The condition of the two artists, being Babetara Shwezen and Westboy, is very critical. Speedy recovery to Westboy and Babetara Shwezen.
a re kwatile bjalo le mene o re a beile fase bjalo le di-force re tšotše kore ke rena bjalo aowa banna makompo kapa a fela bonova aowa bokwintese aowa gape ntho e dia ka mmara gape e lebeleleng ka beke aowa e re ke le botšeng one thing makompo, please listen to me. Ke nyako re lebe so le ditedu tše ditšweu le ska re ge motho a le texter a re go lena re ke le fa ntwa gore le kry digigi la re nyoe ke atla lo tša gore le kry digigi ka menjiki di tlo le tsentša mathateng kgopa le no ba naturale ka bolena ka mogode ke tsebang ka gona digigi tšene tšeo tša di 3000 4000 di lokile le ska lola digigi tša di 50000 di 20000 ka re le tlo tsena mathateng makompo le tlo tsena mathateng makompo, please a re ke tshwareng botse.
Mzansi, you know we must shy away from talking about things that we do not know of. I'm reading most of the comments on social media and it's just speculations. Things that when you're just making up in your mind and then turning them into facts, or else it's not the gospel truth. So listen to this comment. Nova just released a track with Babete and Babete is now linked with Sony. And Sony is somehow linked to the Scorpion Kings. What if those people are using Babete too? I mean, what if? Because Babete has been silent for like months, that boom, out of nowhere, he releases a song with Zai. Just what if? So this person is responding to that comment. So just to give you context, Babetara Shwezen, le Westboy, le Nova, they released a song last night to Sakamasa called Skete. So this person is saying, Nova, the lyrics such as Skete, Nova saying, I'd rather not get KILLED by girls, but alcohol, because these people rap about certain stuff. Like the way ba opelang ka on. So Mzansi, I want to address these two comments. Ne? It might make sense gore Babetara Shwezen sacrifice Nova and then Westboy. Unfortunately, Westboy go spetlele, even though I critical. Then I did some research. I'm like, you know what? Let me just dig a little bit deeper. A week before Skete got released, like Skete got released today, Kamasaka the 10th May 2026. A week before, Babetara Shwezen was on an interview. Unfortunately, I can't play the clip because the damn person is playing the music in the background. And if you get to listen to Babetara Shwezen, he left Sony. He's no longer working with Sony.
They wanna blame Sony. Of which Sony I can feel.
He's not working with Sony Music Group. He's doing his own thing right now. He signed two individuals, being Nova and Westboy. Now they into Lukombo, because ever since Babeta went to Sony, yes, we all know that he just got lost in the noise. He hasn't released any hit song. Maybe he has released songs, but not any hit song. So we are quick to make speculations and man, guys, can we just chill? Sometimes we go about mama just stop making up stories. So hey, just wait for confirmation and chill, And then there's Mudim. And then there's Prophet Titus. It's gonna be a long week. So Prophet Titus posted the screenshot. I think he posted this like a week ago. I said it 1 week ago, ka death ya Queen Tech, and said more death is coming. 2 more deaths are coming. Aba tshwele pele go nroga ge o posta nkere ge ba botšane. I don't know what that's supposed to mean unless it's like broken speed, but anyway. They used to know that they must know that ka mo gare ga lekompo, death will never stop unless they do one thing, and that one thing ke gore be united. Mongwe le mongwe a eme for life ya gage shem. And also, they must be on 3 days fasting, only drinking water. After yo mongwe le yo mongwe a ke emele shem. And then we are back to the allegations, to speculate ka mahu a batho. Mapitsi Mabisela from the Thrive magazine. Or why does it seem like rumors of the Purple Room are true? If you check, we lost 2 artists already that have recently went to Purple Room. Allegedly, it is rumored that it is a bit of a cult. Look into it. Mzansi, Purple Room is just a TikTok page. They are promoting the artists. So batla go students sa bona ba opela, and then ba posta mo ntwe ke mo paging ya bona. It's not a record company. And then OKR, I think once an artist goes to that Purple Room, they die. Unless badimo ba ko genu ba le strong, you'll come out alive. Guys, are drilling the speculation. Purple Room has got nothing to do with the passing of Nova. It has got nothing to do with Babetara Shozen le Westbora le Gospel. Babetara Shozen has got nothing. They've got nothing to do with the Scorpion King. They've got nothing to do with this. But Makomba, they just need to, and I also saw this caption from Karishma. I get Karishma la tseba gore Salir Kavari, but nna ke tseba Karishma a ke tsebe account ya Karishma ya Facebook ni ningi delete-ilwe ni ningi on motho a leng in charge of the social media account ya Karishma ke Big Solver Whippy. Yeah, he's the one that is in charge. The family appointed him. So I get tsebe gore caption e whether e ngwadile ke yena or e ngwadile ke Karishma na gona mo bue. So a ke tsebe